Hi, my name's Rich Marcosian, and welcome to Gardening with Keeks and Louie. These are my dogs. This is Louie, this is Keeks. Today I'm basically going to be talking about gardening using both organic techniques and using inorganic techniques. And this series of videos that I'm going to be doing this summer is basically a comparison of the two different methods of gardening. I've been a very strong proponent of what's called the Mittleider Method, which uses soil additives, soil conditioning, and vertical gardening. It's not organic gardening. It uses inorganic nutrients to provide the results that all the nutrients your plants need, including the trace nutrients. I've been very successful with that. But what I tried last year was I did compost manure mixed with basically my topsoil. And what I learned last year was it's much more difficult to do compost and manure mix with existing soil, because what happens if the organic materials are basically breaking down while you're trying to grow things, those chemical processes affect your roots. So I had rotting tomato plants in about September. My yields were way down, and while I respect organic gardening, I did not find success with it last year. So what I decided to do this year is I'm going to do a combination of organic gardening and inorganic gardening. You can see my garden is about it's roughly 20 feet wide by 40 feet long. I'm going to have two beds growing right here using growing mostly tomatoes. These are my trellises, and I'm going to talk a lot more about these later, but one bed will be organic grown tomatoes, and the other bed will be using my mineral nutrients that I've used for years using the Mittleider Method. This is a vertical gardening approach. My tomatoes will climb all the way to the top of these wires. And over in this area is where I'm going to be growing my kale, lettuce, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, eggplant. Back against the fence is where my wife wants to grow beans. Again, I'm going to be doing one bed inorganic nutrients, chemical fertilizers, one bed all organic fertilizers, and check with us throughout the summer. You can see how it goes.